bacon. What more is better? She really oily. Oh yeah, she's thick. Oh my god. With there being so many different types of diets in the world, a lot of people are unsure what veganism even is. Veganism is when you don't eat any animal products whatsoever. So no meat, dairy, or eggs. Crazy, right? With that being said, I have been vegan for 10 months now. But there's a lot of things that I am missing from being vegan. And that number one thing is bacon. But I can't eat it because it's not vegan. So in today's journey, we're gonna go find the best vegan alternative for bacon. Safety first though, ain't nobody getting the Rona out here. We've made it to the Mecca. A vegan's dream! I'm not gonna lie, I don't even think they have frozen vegan bacon. I know it exists, but where is it? All right, so there is no vegan frozen bacon here. So we're gonna have to make our own. So I saw this recipe for vegan bacon made from carrots. So we're gonna try to do that. To the carrots. Now we need to find some liquid smoke, whatever the hell that is. Do you guys remember that like thing that it was like if you eat a bunch of carrots or drink a bunch of carrot juice, then it'll like turn you orange? Why was that a thing?
No, 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 no.
I don't even know, guys. This is the secret ingredient, liquid smoke. Secured. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alrighty, you guys, we're in the kitchen now and we're gonna get started on our carrot bacon. We're gonna go through all of the ingredients. 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of tahini, 1 tablespoon of oil of choice. I have olive here. We have, oh, we need maple syrup. Do we have maple syrup? 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or agave. I have agave. 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of the secret ingredient that is going to baconize these carrots. Our friend liquid smoke right here. Sounds like a rapper's name. Moving on with life, we're gonna prep our carrots first. I'm gonna cut the stems off and then I'm going to peel all of the outside of it and then keep peeling so we have like little strips. That's gonna be our bacon. Here is our strips. Now we're gonna make the marinade. So I did 2 carrots instead of 1. So I'm just gonna double up the marinade because why not? More is better. 1 and 2. She really oily, cute. 3 tablespoons of our friend's soy sauce. Magnificent. I thought I spilled it, but I didn't. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 and 2. Now we have our agave and we're gonna do it 3 tablespoons. And last but not least, the star of the show, Mr. Liquid Smoke. I'm interested to see like what this actually smells like, if it just smells like a campfire or what, because I've never heard of or like even seen this ingredient in my life. She smelled like the burnt pieces, like when you're barbecuing and it's like the really burnt ass pieces of something. That's what it smells like. I kind of like it. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Honestly, how do they make this? Let's make smoke into liquid form. Now that we've got all of our ingredients in here, we're gonna go ahead and mix this bad boy up and throw our carrots in. Oh yeah, she's thick. It smells kind of like dog food. Smell it. Now we're gonna throw the carrots in here. Give it a nice little mix up again. Ooh. All right, let's head to the fridge. 30 minutes in the fridge, and then we're gonna get our oven preheated to 400 degrees and get them all set up on our sheet. We're now going to take our marinated carrot strips and lay them all out individually on a baking sheet, and then they're gonna go in the oven. So this looks pretty much good to me. I'm now going to pour a little bit of the remainder of the marinade on it and then put it in the oven. The directions say to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes depending on how crispy we want it. So we're gonna throw her in there, set a timer, see how it goes. Okay, she's smelling really toasty. Oh my God, she burnt. I'm gonna say, you know, I burnt them 100%. You know, I set the timer, the time wasn't up, but they got burnt. I guess the oven was just way too powerful. So it's not really crispy. It's kind of like flimsy. Try it.
No.
You're gonna have to try it. I'm gonna give it like 3.5 stars. It kind of tastes like bacon, but the texture is not there. And I don't know what happened. I think the oven was too hot. 400 degrees is a little bit too aggressive because it didn't really like give enough time for the carrot to dry and get crispy. It's just more kind of like, you know, flimsy and like burnt a little bit. I'm eating it, so like that has to mean something, right? Like it's not the worst thing I've ever eaten in my life, but it's definitely not bacon. This one is salvageable. I'm gonna let Andre taste it.
Hell no.
You're gonna taste it.
it.
You have to. Everybody, my special guest today, my special taste testing guest is your friend Andre. And you're gonna try vegan bacon.
Why are you getting so close to me?
No, it looks good.
Hell no. No.
He doesn't like it. You know, if I were to do this recipe again, I probably would not have the oven on at 400 degrees. I'd probably do like a low and slow kind of deal and not pour the extra sauce in it so they can get crispy. But they did kind of taste like bacon, and you know, they're healthy. They're literally carrots. If you're trying to like have bacon, the Flavortown, the smoky Flavortown flavor, I would say try this recipe, but don't put your oven on 400 degrees because that is way too hot for the little carrot man. They can't dry out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me trying to create vegan carrot bacon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to 5 to 9 Woman, and leave us a comment below. Catch you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.